Yeah, guys, so I just came out of this place. What's it called? I don't even know. X. And I'm gonna go sit over there in the promenade and film some things. See what's going on. Here comes a huge ship.
I'm here on the phone. It's very simple. What happened?
Busy, 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 busy. And I see like a monster ship over there. Wow. It's stationed though, it's not coming anywhere. So yo! This motherfucker. There's a lot of police over there. You know what they're doing? They're doing something. Something. Zaba, I'm going right there. Right there. So this is like I think obviously I finished it last year, but not while I was here. This is awesome. Awesome. I saw this a couple days ago. I'm like, God damn, it's a nice thing. Let's sit here, get some rays, shoot some videos, man. Yeah. So, shit. All the way down. This is all new. It's beautiful. Sit here and just chill. There's a ferry coming in over there. One's going to be going out. One going out, one coming in. It's going across. And over there on the top, I don't know if you can see, there's a swing. I won't be swinging from there. I don't even know if I even go up there. Yeah, guys, because I got vertigo. And so high places where I can see down to the ground, where I can see it going to the ground like a building or a mountain, it really is difficult for people when they have vertigo. Flying, hang gliding, I've done all that, it's okay. But being in a building or anything like that, it's no fun at all. Yeah, that big ship over there. I would like to know what that's. I guess it's probably the thing on top. Very strange. But yeah, man, this is it. Chilling by the water. Chilling by the water. And right behind is Central Station. Wow, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, 2 in a row. Look at that some more. So nice. So nice. Just chill out. Just chill. Yeah. The ferry just goes across over there. Over there, as you can see, is Amsterdam, part of Amsterdam North. So all the way up. But that side is Amsterdam North. And yeah, if you live there, like my friend was living, like once you get off the ferry, you walk 8 minutes straight, and you're in his apartment. So it was very nice, you know. Still away from the city, so it's a bit more calm. But you're like 10, let's say 10 minutes away, really. There's another ferry going out, going across. straight across. And then that one's gonna come here soon. It's filling up. So they're going all the time. Another one leaving. I think that guy goes another destination. Yeah, he goes to further away, but still to the north. I'm still in the north. You know the song? Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching my time going away. Shame that people leave garbage all around. And then you get these pigeons coming around. That's disgusting. And I guess they have some garbage things near here, but they shouldn't leave it here anyway. Not nice. It goes in the water. It's just, guys, please don't leave garbage in it when you eat your things, and it's disgusting. Other people need to come and sit down. It blows all over the place. It's harmful to the environment and all the rest that you all know. Why are you so selfish? Don't you think of others? Do not just think of yourself. This is the problem with the planet. You know what I'm saying? You can't just think about, rascal self alone. You're not living here alone. Go on to an island where you're the only one and do that shit. You can't come into cities and, environments where there are other people and think about just yourself. I'm telling you all, I don't care what you think or what you have to say back. That's how it is. Because if you're gonna create some shit, you're gonna end up living in it and you won't like it. Yeah. So look at that now. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. It's not. You can't live like that. It's not allowed, man. And you don't. If you want to live in that mess, that's fine. But don't impose it on other people. We don't accept it. Yeah. So I'm shutting down right now, and I have a short time left here tomorrow. It's my last day. I will be in the studio all day, working on an EP with Simon Jason from Almere. So yeah, today is my last day. Maybe I shoot something in the studio, I'll see. But that's it, guys, for now. I wish you all the best, and I hope you're full enjoying the vibes. I try my best to bring you as interesting content as I can, in my vibes. All natural. I don't really edit my videos because I like it to be a la natural, all natural, and I don't really edit too much. And I don't use any lenses, and I'm not into that tech side that much. Don't know that I want to either. I like things to be as natural as possible. So yeah, I hope you guys full joy, and let me know in the comments. Don't be afraid to comment negative, positive. It's all good, as they say. It's all good. I appreciate it. The feedback and comments will help the channel to grow, because the algorithms will show it more if you guys will comment. So please comment. Let me just show you these boats, and then I'm out of here. Nice way to go see waterfront. Here's a cargo guy coming down nice and slow. Yes. Busy waterway, this one. Active all the time, night and day. Alright guys, you know what to do. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Share the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. I'll see you soon. Alright, I'm out. Bless.